everybody, this is Dr. Whipple. I'm filming this on Saturday the 28th. I want to say hello to you. I hope you're enjoying the class. I hope your summer is going very well and that you're getting everything accomplished this summer that you had originally intended to get accomplished. I want to tell you that this video is specifically about the PowerPoint version or the multimedia version of paper number 1. For many of you, I have put on your comment sheets, please see the video about project number 1. I've enjoyed looking at all of your project number 1s. I've enjoyed it very much, as a matter of fact. However, there are a few things that I need to tell you about project number 1 in order for you to appropriately and completely revise it if you choose to revise it as part of your final portfolio. Okay? First of all projects need an introduction and a conclusion. Some of these projects simply zip into the first paragraph or the first slide with your first literacy, and that is great. All of you give us all of you provided 3 literacies, but you all need a slide that introduces your literacies and just sort of warms us up to the idea of listening to you or spending the time reading your slides about your literacies. So, like a paper, I mean, we can broaden the concept of paper in many ways. We can just put quotes around it, call it a paper, okay? But for any kind of assignment, any kind of human utterances, whether it's multimedia, whether it's a video, whether it's a more traditional, in black ink on dead white tree product paper, we need something that introduces us to the topic and something that leads us out away from the world of the paper to the world we were inhabiting before we started reading the paper. Okay? So, to make this very plain, everybody needs an introductory slide, not just a title slide, but a slide that introduces all 3 literacies that you're talking about and just talks about them generally and maybe how they make you the person you are, that type of stuff. Okay? Secondly, and this is probably the most important point I can make about this, many of you talk about your literacies and you delineate your literacies and you talk about maybe your literacies through history or how your literacies affect you. That is great. What you have is good. However, we need you to show yourselves living these literacies. That is, we need you to show you living these literacies. We need you to show and provide a story of you, how you live these literacies. Not just, well, I do this or I do that, but I remember a specific time in which I did X or Y or Z in this literacy. So we need a specific story of a specific time of you living that literacy for each of your 3 literacies. Okay? That was asked for in the instructions, and we need that. Okay? Those are the 2 most important comments I can make about this paper. So everybody should assume that these comments apply to them. Whether you provided them or not, these comments apply to you as you revise your paper. Okay? As you revise project number 1, should you choose to revise that for your final portfolio. Thank you very much. I'm almost through with project number 1. I'm moving on to project number 2 very soon. Thanks. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.